June fig tree update for all you fig tree followers and aficionados. I kid you not when I say I have not picked a fig off this tree in 2020. And you can see, hopefully, the crazy amount of figs that are on here. And I'm spotting them. Okay, here it is. You're the first to know with me. A nice plump fig. Now, how does that look? That's a brown turkey fig. Oh, let's get in the shade. Man, oh man. That's a beauty. That is a beauty. So what do you check for when you pick a fig? First thing I would say is it's just a little, I'm not squeezing it, but you can feel it's a little soft. Prerequisite. The other thing is that it's starting to show just a little bit of color. Some people would even say this is an unripe fig, but you know as well as I do now that it is ripe. And you can put this sucker on the counter and watch it ripen on a paper plate in approximately a half a day. It'll turn darker and darker until a day out it'll be like dark purple and tastes like something like what's in a fig Newton. That's how I describe the brown turkey fig. Now another thing I look for is that closed end. I don't know if you know, but figs can open at the end. They get so big that they open. When they're young like this, it hasn't opened yet, but when it does open, that gives a opening for bugs to go in. So you got that working for you, which is not too nice. So I try to pick them before that happens, and that's why I like to pick them a little bit before they've turned color. Now they'll turn color up here, and the birds will get their share, and the squirrels will get their share, and the turtle will get their share that fall on the ground. But I certainly get my share. So let's see what it looks like inside of this. I'm going to do a surgical incision. Okay. There you have it. The inside of a brown turkey fig, and that is delicious. This is one of my favorite fruits in my backyard. For everybody who watches Eat Your Backyard, I spend a lot of time with this fig tree. I never did get to the point where I trimmed it this spring, which left it very lush, as you can see. So I think what it's got is full-on bumper crop potential. July's going to be showering figs. That's what I predict. So maybe I should do something with the figs. What do you think? How do you deal with the quantity of figs? I'm going to be realistic about this estimate. I'll claim it could easily produce 40 pounds of figs. Conservative estimate. This one tree, 40 pounds of figs over time. I was thinking about getting a dehydrator. I don't know if I should do that. What do you know about that? I know not much. I noticed that you could get one, well, before the pandemic and everything, you could get one for like pretty inexpensive, maybe $40 now. It looks like they're up around 80 or 90. So maybe I'll get one of those, just order it online or something, go pick it up. And next I got to get these bananas. I'm going to harvest those. See, this is the advantage of having the banana grove. You got them lined up. Bam. Harvest that one next. Then, as this one matures, just let it grow. Okay, so yeah. I don't know how many, sometimes they just come in one or two here and there. Let's see if we can find any others as we dip our head into the fig tree, and you just know it's likely to get a spider web to the face initially until you clear those suckers out through picking them so much. Oh, this one, a little bit further along. Yeah, a little bit further along. That's definitely darker purple. Do the end check. Yes, it's just this one's almost starting to. A little opening, but not yet. Let me try it. Yeah, I ate the whole thing. Sorry. Here's one. Hit the ground. Man down. Ooh, look at these. Right on the verge. Right on the verge. And I just want to show you this as a thing. This, you can feel they're almost starting to get a little bit soft. I want to show you in half. I spit that out because it's kind of gross, but yeah, not ready. See how thick that skin is? That skin gets more and more skinny. This will make good mulch. Squirrel food. There's another one, but that one will be ripe tomorrow morning. I mean, fully ripe. So this gives me a look ahead. Now, see, this one's starting to get a little bit of purpleness on it. I'm going to leave it though. Ooh, this one's an older one. Ooh, see that? Look at that. Ants. Ants on that one. I'm going to chuck that back in the banana grove. Oh, look at this. Here's the process. Oh, look at that. What is that? What critter is eating my figs? That's a bird. It's like a beak hole so you could see the beaks. That's definitely not a squirrel. Squirrel would have taken that whole fig. Yeah. Yeah. That's acceptable loss. So I just had 3 figs, 4 figs, and like I said, make good mulch. And I gave one away to the critters. I thought I heard that. Thought I heard the neighborhood fruit turtle stirring in the banana grove, but I was mistaken. It was just some leaves blowing around. Yeah, so I don't really see too many. Oh, here we go. It's probably hard to see. Oh, there we go. Oh, yeah. That's good. So just, you know, I could probably find another 5 or 6 up there. The birds will find them too. And that's good. Another one. There we go. Oh yeah. Well, anyhow, if you like watching videos like this, where I occasionally pick fruit from my delicious brown turkey fig tree, and you can think, this is what it would be like to have my own brown turkey fig tree, and think, I'm going to put one in like many subscribers have, and then told me later I have one, it's planted, and I'm enjoying that same experience. So thanks for watching. Eat Your Backyard. Give it a thumbs up now if you liked it. Always appreciate that. And go ahead and subscribe if you want to get notified as these new videos come out. This is about the deal. Just here's what's going on in my backyard. Go ahead and paint your backyard like you are the Bob Ross of your backyard. Thanks for watching. Eat Your Backyard.